Dirty's back, you bitches! Dirty's
Çok
back, you
değiller.
bitches!
Falan.
Dave, come on.
Nero! Leave me!
Come on. Nico, what are you doing?
Dave is not coming.
Ah, ignore him. Come on, we gotta get this thing ready before we dock. Let's go. Here, pass me that. Oh yeah! There she is. Liberty City.
Yeah.
You ever been?
No.
Crazy place, Nico.
What you going to do?
I might come back on board, or I might try to make a go of it. Like they say, it is the land of opportunity. I always wanted to make it big. Own a nice place, get a dog, a house, live the dream.
Like my cousin.
Oh yeah?
Yes, he's got the love. House, women, cars, parties. He writes me in these wild emails, and after I got into trouble, I thought maybe, Then I got this gig, and I spend the next 7 months with you fine people, and I forget. After the war finished, I couldn't get a job. Nobody could. So I did some dumb things, got involved with some idiots.
Ah, we all do dumb things. That's what makes us human.
Could be.
Entschuldigung, der amerikanische Traum.
Nico! My cousin! I can't believe it! You're here! Welcome to America!
Bravo, Barazzaru!
What?
Good to see you, man. What? You forget our language?
Kapusi? Maybe a little. I've been here 10 years. You could speak English. Remember, we learned off the English girls with the
A little. Not
Ah,
so
he'll
good.
be fine. Better than my Serbian.
Ah!
So good to see you, cousin. I can't believe you made it. Shit, I have to tell you. I had quite a night last night. 2 women. The land of opportunity. Ah! I've made it.
Oh!
Shit, man, I'm still a Dutch drunk.
Touch!
My cousin is here!
Oh,
We
Ron,
got to
Ron,
rule the
come on, relax.
Whatever, buddy. Just take over the world someplace else,
Yeah,
all right?
buddy.
You're in the
Hey,
goddamn
come
way.
Screw
you all! My cousin is here! Nico Bellic! He's the fucking man, bitches!
Roman, come on, let's go. To the mansion, huh?
Yes, the mansion! Maybe you should drive.
Oh, maybe I should.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, is this a cab? Where's the sports car?
He's in the shop. Come on!
Drive us to our place on Mohawk. He's just up the road. I'll let you know when we're there.
Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le début du let's play sur GTA 4. Enfin, c'est un bon que j'ai envie de me le
Why
refaire
don't you show me around the city?
et surtout de me le faire avant GTA 6.
What terrorists?
Et là,
There's
bah,
been a
écoutez, j'ai une
big
occasion, je
scare.
l'ai
You
saisie.
can't go across the bridges so good. You without the visa.
Et donc,
I would
il y a
stay
GTA
in
4
Broker. Fucking stand Hove Beach. Everyone
sur
like us
de long
does.
GTA avec le meilleur scénario. Scénaristiquement, c'est vraiment le meilleur GTA
You ever had two
de
women
tous les
at
temps.
once?
Il est fou.
We are passing the
Ça,
cab
c'est
office,
bon.
Nico. This is the
Graphiquement, je l'ai
business
laissé
that will
comme
take us to
game
the
sur
top of
PC,
the
donc
pile.
je l'ai mis à fond, j'ai pas mis de mode graphique. Et je voulais vraiment qu'on conserve l'âme du jeu.
Ne
Le
mogu
conduite,
te
ça me fait
kažem,
bizarre là,
da
j'ai
imam.
oublié.
Cousin, it's been too long. You should have come out earlier. Think of all the girls you've been missing out on.
This is the mansion?
Just a temporary place. The mansion is coming, cousin. That's the dream. Follow me. Come in, come in! Make yourself at home. What's mine is yours. Got him! Little bastard. If he paid some rent, I wouldn't care. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not nice. Ah, cousin. It's so good to see you. Oh, shit. Well, I need to change anyway. So.
So, you full of crap or what?
What?
Where's luxury condo? Where's sports car? Where's Barbara with big titties and Stephanie who sucks like a vacuum?
What are you talking about?
In your letters to my mother, in your letters to me, all I hear about is Mr. Big, Mr. Roman, living the American dream. Sports cars, condos, women, money, the beach, opportunity. I come here, and the only thing big about your life is the cockroaches.
That's right. I got the best cockroaches. I got the best nuts.
Screw you, you idiot!
Okay, I'm an idiot, but you must admit, I have the best line in bullshit you ever heard.
Yeah, this I know, asshole.
But here, all I needed was one good guy. One good guy I could do well. Not take over the world, but do okay. Now maybe I have this. But what about you? What about you, cousin?
What? What about me?
Oh, why you leave home after all this time? First I hear you running with the wrong kind. Then I hear you join the merchant navy. Now you're here. You never tell me anything.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No, I never tell you anything. Another time.
Ooh, mystery man. Strange and exotic sailor. What happened? Did your captain make you pregnant?
Screw you! No, it's nothing like that. The ships were fine. It was before that. Two things. You remember, during the war, we did some bad things. And bad things happened to us. War is where the young and stupid are tricked by the old and bitter into killing each other. I was very young and very angry. Maybe that is no excuse. Roman? Roman! Are you sleeping, you fat
No,
fuck?
no way.
Come on!
What's the time? Shit, I've got to get the cab back. It's on the shift.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus! Tastes
Bro.
like a rat shot in it. Nico,
Jeez.
I've got to run. Come
What?
meet me at the cab office.
What
It's
you
easy.
talking
Out the
about?
door, turn left, and the first
I
left
know-
at the diner, go down
I
one
know
block
you-
and turn right on Iroquois. Then walk all the way down, and we're right there on the left
you
on the corner of
talking
Cisco
about,
Street.
man?
It's really flash. We got lots of titties and some incredible molders. Nico, give me a hug. Good to have you here, cousin. I've got something for you. Oh, damn. Damn. Yes, Vlad. Sorry. Forgive me, okay? No, please don't cut my cock off. Okay, Vlad. Yes. Okay.
Va voir Roman. Bon bah voilà les gars, bah écoutez, hein, ça c'est notre appart. Hein. Donc on s'est un peu fait arnaquer avec Roman. Hein. Mais bon. Voilà quoi, c'est la vie. Non en vrai ce que j'aime dans ce GTA c'est vraiment que c'est le dernier, parce que je trouve que GTA 5 le supprime ce côté. C'est vraiment ce côté ascension. Petit à petit en fait, surtout que celui qui était vraiment très présent dans San Andreas. Là encore dans GTA on le ressent encore un peu, mais dans GTA 5 on le sentait quasiment plus du tout. Parce qu'on avait 3 personnages, enfin on le ressentait uniquement avec Franklin, mais avec Michael qui lui a déjà tout réussi et Trevor son entreprise, on sentait pas ce côté, ce besoin d'ascension, contrairement aux anciens. Et c'est d'autant plus marqué par le fait que la map elle est pas accessible, enfin elle est pas entièrement accessible dès le début de l'aventure. Regardez, je vais vous ouvrir la map les gars, parce que pour l'instant on a accès que à ça. Bon ça reste une grande partie hein, mais bon. Il nous reste, on n'a pas les deux autres îles. Celle-ci et celle du centre et de l'ouest. Donc voilà, va falloir faire des missions, va falloir jouer, va falloir avancer. Alors même si la map est beaucoup plus petite aussi dans ce GTA, elle est tellement plus dense. Après elle est normale plus petite donc c'était plus facile de faire une map dense. Mais bon. Il y a beaucoup plus d'intérieur explorable, vous verrez au cours de l'aventure. L'immersion elle est vraiment magnifique, il y a vraiment tous les bruits de Liberty City, enfin tous les ambiances. Tous inspirés de New York. Hein. Bon allez, on va aller faire la première mission avec Roman. Donc vous verrez que donc, là on est vraiment sur... Je trouve que GTA 4 et GTA 5 il y a quand même eu un sacré gap. Surtout au niveau des missions. Les missions de GTA 5 étaient quand même moins nombreuses que les autres GTA c'est vrai. Mais elles étaient quand même beaucoup plus complètes. Alors que c'est le GTA 4. Dans le dernier GTA je trouvais qu'il a doté une formule. Vraiment c'est une mission, tu vas à un point A et tu vas à un point B et c'est fini. Oh là là, tous ces buildings. C'est tellement impressionnant. C'est vrai que le jeu piquait un peu, hein, c'est vrai. On sent qu'il a pris un petit coup de vieux, mais bon. Il reste, je trouve, encore très jouable. Hein. D'ailleurs, j'ai hâte de vous montrer le combat au corps à corps aussi. Hein.
Come on, big guy, either do some work or get out of here. We don't need jokers.
Screw you!
Screw you! Baby, when I look into your eyes, it means something. I see little Romans, I see little Mallorys, I see stars, I see angels. In my homeland, we have a saying.
Yeah, we got one too. You're a fag.
Jesus, Roman, you fucking idiota. How can I take you seriously?
Very difficult, I think. Hello, Roman. Hello, miss.
Mallory, this is my cousin I tell you about, Nico.
Hi.
Nico, this is Mallory, the beautiful girl I tell you about. See, not everything I tell you is bullshit.
I bet most of it was.
Hey.
I hope you're less full of shit than your cousin over here.
Thank you.
This is the woman that I'm going to marry.
Whatever you say.
I thought you were going to marry me, baby.
Vlad.
Hey, Vlad, great. You're fucking crazy, man.
You should lose few pounds. Otherwise, this beautiful lady is going to leave.
I know. I'm a fat prick. What can I do?
Pay you
Yeah.
debts?
I will do, man. We spoke of this.
No, we didn't speak. You spoke. Then you say your phone out of batteries. You treat me like a bitch.
Never. I treat you like an idiot, not a bitch, huh?
I guess it's true. The beautiful women do like the guys with a funny sense of humor. Ho ho. I'm laughing.
I'll get you the money.
I know. And Roman, tell this fucking yokel here if he doesn't stop staring at me, I'll have his head chopped off and put a film of it on the internet!
Ouch.
Ah. Oh, good. Great.
Yeah, fantastic. Look, say what you like, but at least that guy knows how to speak to a lady.
Yes, he's all charm. Come on, Nico, let's go. Darling, I'll see you later. I've got to take my cousin around some more, get him settled. Nico, you're driving us to
Bon les gars, le Vlad il est déjà insolent. Hein. Je sais pas comment vous le trouvez, mais moi je trouve directement insolent.
Doing some home improvement?
Et vu comment la conduite dans ce jeu elle est tellement réaliste quoi, c'est vraiment... Là on est en simulation.
You can play, right? Ti si dobar u ovoj igri?
Mais j'adore, quand vous allez apprendre la conduite en main sur ce GTA 4, c'est vraiment un pur plaisir après. Hein.
I seriously hope your cards are better than your nicknames.
Nico, wait for me here while I go inside to clean up. Shit, I almost forgot. I'm giving you my old phone. My new number's in there.
Voilà. Dites-vous là, on a
Call
enfin
me
le
if
téléphone
some
quoi, c'est...
Albanians show
Oh
up
là
in
là.
some shitty beige Willard. Those are the guys I owe money to. Do not hurt them. I know what you're like, Niko Bellic.
You and your debts, Roman. Uvek isto, nikad drugačije.
Vous verrez, c'est que GTA 4 quand même pas mal de détails que GTA 5 a supprimé. Alors il veut quoi Roman?
It's so quiet out here, Roman. You winning? Mol interesse da.
Don't worry, I'm getting so many bullets, it's like I'm an AK. Miss McCool.
On il a dit qu'il y avait des mecs chelous, des Albanais là, enfin fallait que je l'appelle.
And this must be the loan sharks.
That's his scab. The fat Roman must be in here.
Cousin, two guys are going in the store. I think they are the loan sharks you speak of.
Shit, I'm down.
You better get out of there.
All right, I'm coming.
Shit, Nico, it's them. They must have been told I was here.
You cannot run from us forever, Mr. Roman.
Please
Allez,
don't
vite,
hurt
vite,
the
vite.
men after us, cousin. They hate me enough as it is. Get us back to the depot, quick!
Mais je sais pas, ce jeu il est tellement spécial, c'est un truc de fou.
Do you think they saw me?
Of course they saw you. I mean, you're a distinctive man, Roman.
Ce gars, ce jeu il a une ambiance tellement
Nico,
sombre.
you're new. You don't
Qui
understand the
vraiment,
way
c'est
things
vraiment
work.
ce qui caractérise
Oh, yeah?
le plus ce
We are
GTA.
at the bottom of the ladder, man.
Il est vraiment
These
sombre,
thugs
quoi.
push us around, but they are not to be
Que ce
feared.
soit dans
It
l'histoire,
is the
même
Russian
le game
mobsters,
design.
land
Hein.
bosses that run everything. Be careful of them.
You tell me to behave, Mr. Janitor? If you understand it all, where is the money?
We're here. Oh, you like your phone? Maybe one day you get a premium quality one like mine. Then you will have really made it.
I can only wish.
See you later, cousin. Come on, Daddy, what's your problem?
I don't have problem. You do. Don't be a dick, man. Come on. Where's your Russian friend now, huh? He's not my friend. He's my loan shark.
Stop this!
What about? Who are you?
Get out of here.
What?
Yes.
My arm. Oh.
What about you?
Help me. Help me.
Come on,
my
Supak.
arm. Leonard, help me.
Get out of here now! And if you come back, I'll kill you! You understand?
You forgot this? You Albanian pricks?
Strong!
Shit, Nico. What did you do?
He was going to stab me.
Now he's going to kill you.
Fuck him.
Look at this mess. Screwed. Again. You want to know why I'm not living in a nice condo, banging for women? It's because of shit like this. Assholes threatening me.
Shut up.
Oh, great. Mallory. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, great. Listen, I'm having a bit of a problem at the office. I can do it. Nico can do it.
Huh? What?
Well, why would you want me then? Well, screw you then. Great girl. Can you do me a favor? Mallory needs a lift. Can you go pick her up at the Hove Beach subway station?
Yeah.
Take the cab. She's got a friend with her. Maybe someone you can date.
Fuck you.
Oh, man, look at this crap. My computer and everything.
Bah évidemment les gars, le début de... Vous voyez comment... Surtout sur le scénario, les gars, le début GTA 4 n'a rien à voir avec le début GTA 5. GTA 5 on était directement dans l'action avec un braquage. Là c'est calme, c'est avance petit à petit. Mais est-ce que c'est foncé? Est-ce que ça veut dire que c'est plus mauvais? C'est moins cool? Bah clairement pas les gars, vous allez voir ça. Je sais pas si vous pourrez le voir. Donc les gars, le premier gunfight dans GTA 4, j'étais choqué du temps qu'il a fallu que j'attende avant d'avoir un gun. J'étais choqué.
Fucking shit.
Get in, ladies.
Hey, Nico, thanks for coming. I should have known Roman would find some excuse not to turn up. This is Michelle.
Hi, how are you? I live on Rotterdam Hill up on Mohawk Avenue. You know where that is?
Come on, you guys. You're both single. You're adults. Take her number, Nico.
Hey, I'd like to see you again, Nico. You look like that kind of guy I want to get to know.
You look like you just jumped off the boat, Nico. Handsome man like you should get some new threats.
I think he looks fine the way he...
Thanks for the lift, Nico.
Yeah, thanks. Give me a call sometime.
See you soon, Michelle. Cousin, I dropped the girls off. The friend gave me her number, but I don't think Mallory likes my clothes so much.
I know just the place for you. It's on Mohawk in Hull. Go and get something a bit more 21st century.
Allez, on va changer un peu les vêtements. Attends, on va dire que c'était un deal parce que là en jogging c'est horrible en fait.
Anyway, you have Michelle. Classy girl for your art. You should definitely keep dating her.
Eh ben écoutez, c'est exactement ce que j'avais envie de faire, allez.
Hey, Michelle, it's Nico, Roman's cousin.
Oh, hi. How's it going?
Good. I was wondering if you wanted to go out with me sometime. You know, on a date.
Yeah, sure. That could be fun. Yeah, I'd like to get to know you, Nico. Why don't you come over to my place whenever? See you soon.
Oh mais il veut quoi encore lui, putain.
Leader has me cornered in the court under the L train on Firefly.
What does he want?
Oh, I can't think what he could possibly want, or why he'd be pissed off. Can you? Come on, guys. Let's be reasonable.
Tout faire. Bon bah écoute, la Michelle elle va attendre un peu. Là ça, c'est bon, il s'est déjà remis du bras que je lui ai pété l'autre.
It was a misunderstanding.
Hey! Shit! There he is! Keep on fat boy here, and I'll talk to him. Our problems with your cousin.
I told you to stop. Now it's too late.
Vous allez voir comme le combat au corps à corps est tellement plus travaillé que dans GTA 5. Ouh. Aïe. On va vraiment mettre des petits enchaînements. Regardez-moi les contres aussi comme ils sont magnifiques quoi. Oh là là les...
There's what I owe, plus interest.
Oh là là. Oh là là, mais c'est magnifique. Les animations sont... Il y a tellement plus d'animations, c'est beaucoup plus varié que dans le 5. Là c'est un petit détail qui est peut-être insignifiant mais ça rend cool en fait les combats au corps à corps quoi.
If one more of these gangsters tries to... Speaking of shitheads, here's Darden.
Ah c'est lui le boss là de...
My car is over there.
du groupe.
Let's get him. You drive. I don't feel so... These guys think that they're better than me. They think they can fuck me around and beat me up because there are more of them. Not any longer. Me and you, Nico. Me and you are some of my fucking stuff. Who does he think he is? Just some fucking petty Albanian hood.
Ça y est, là j'ai fait une erreur, les gars, j'ai suivi comme un bourrin le gars. Mais la course poursuite, faut vraiment faire attention parce qu'il faut vraiment pas trop coller les mecs. Vous voyez, les voitures elles tombent pas d'un coup quoi. Mais ce que j'aimerais dans GTA 6 c'est vraiment qu'il nous fasse un mix un peu des... Vraiment du gameplay de GTA 4 à GTA 5, genre un gameplay qui reste toujours un peu arcade et plaisant, mais qui est quand même un peu plus réaliste quoi. Oh là là, mais il va vite, hein, il va vite. Il est déjà là. Franchement, j'aurais pu l'écraser, mais bon. J'ai envie de faire comme la mission, elle a envie que je la fasse. Ok, je peux désarmer l'adversaire. Aïe. Et donne-moi ton couteau. Hop là, j'ai le couteau. Il va faire quoi? Et... Oh, le bâtard. Poussez, vite, poussez, tu vas voir. Oh. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh là là, c'est beau ça. Bon départ. Ça c'est mon premier meurtre. Alors, Nico, où es-tu passé? Impossible de te trouver, il est arrivé quelque chose. Bah, écoute, j'étais en train d'aider mon cousin. C'est vrai que je vais... Merde, c'est vrai que je l'ai proposé en date, c'est vrai, merde, j'avais oublié.
Thank you, cousin.
Putain, mais il fait
I'll
chier,
see you
Roman.
later.
Je vais la rappeler, les gars. Appelez Michel. J'arrive. Un petit
Hi,
contre-temps.
you've reached Michelle's phone.
Ah ouais, ok. Ça va pour même plus. First date. En plus, les noms d'émissions, ils sont tellement iconiques. Bah, personnellement, GTA 4, comme j'ai dit, c'est pas mon GTA préféré, mais je suis d'accord pour dire que c'est le meilleur. C'est le meilleur, mais c'est pas mon préféré. Je préfère le 5 quand même. L'histoire, enfin, non, je peux pas dire que non, pas du tout. Qu'est-ce que. Enfin, les personnages surtout que je préfère dans le 5, c'est ça. En termes de scénario, mais l'histoire en général du 4 est beaucoup mieux écrite. C'est ça que j'adorais surtout dans ce système de relation, c'est vraiment peu importe là où tu amènes les autres, les amis, les contacts, les meufs, c'est vraiment ils ont des activités qu'ils préfèrent. Il y en a qui préfèrent certains restaurants et d'autres qui aiment pas ce restaurant, voilà quoi. Enfin c'était vraiment très immersif à prendre quoi en main.
Coming. Who is it?
Hey, it's Nico.
Hey, I'm just finishing my hair. Come in.
Thank you.
I'll be with you in a minute.
Did you just move in?
No. Why?
All your stuff is new. Some even still have tags on.
Yeah, well, I like things clean.
I can see that. But everything is new.
Alors qui laisse les étiquettes sur ses meubles quand c'est chez lui, personne.
OCD or something?
Oh.
Ouais, elle a l'air d'être chiante. Elle a l'air d'être insupportable. Oh là là. À peine acheté un meuble 2 semaines, elle le remplace par un autre.
I thought maybe we could go to the fun fair.
Yeah, great. Let's go. Love the fun fair. Actually, we call it carnival here. Just a little different.
Nice doing I do, right?
So, Nico, why couldn't you come on the date earlier? What happened?
Roman got himself into some trouble. I had to help him out.
Really? Does Roman get himself into a lot of trouble? Is he involved in criminal stuff?
Roman? He's made some mistakes.
Roman, il est insupportable. Ils sont tous insupportables dans mon entourage.
But really, he is a legitimate businessman.
What about you?
I'm just trying to make the right decisions.
Bon, si j'ai un petit reproche technique à faire au jeu, c'est vraiment sur la stabilité de la fluidité de la FPS. C'est vraiment pas, la framerate est vraiment pas stable quoi.
Do you think that this is safe?
Enfin, des fois elle peut être stable, des fois elle est instable. Enfin, c'est vraiment aléatoire. Ah d'ailleurs il y a un magnifique easter egg, faudra que je vous montre aussi. Ouais, c'est des easter eggs il y avait quand même des bons easter eggs mythiques dans GTA 4. Loin de GTA 5 mais ce GTA 4 était quand même pas mal. Hein. Bon, les gars, regardez comme à la plage quoi, elle est morte quoi, mais bon voilà, c'est New York, c'est l'artistique quoi. Pas réputé pour les plages, mais c'est mort quoi, c'est vide. Ouais, let's go bowling.
I came here from somewhere of the Midwest. You probably know more people here than me.
More assholes, maybe.
Les gars, vous allez voir comment je suis vraiment trop chaud au bowling dans le jeu. Attendez les gars, ça arrive. Oh putain, c'est pas fou, je sais mieux faire, vous inquiétez pas. On va passer le tour comme ça on peut voir. Ah, elle a fait 9 Ok.
I'm on my way. I'm sorry, but I'm pretty good at bowling.
Pretty good at bowling. Allez, yes, c'est bon. Dommage qu'ils ont le bowling dans GTA 5, hein. C'est vraiment une activité cool. Mais quoi? Mais c'est un truc de fou. Attends, mais elle me fait un strike là, comme ça. Oh, mais c'est un truc de fou. J'ai jamais vu ça de ma vie. Ouais, je vais perdre. Hein. Yes, c'est bon. Encore un spare. Allez. Oh, elle est à 35 pour que je fasse un strike. Non. Je fous de ma gueule. D'où. Yes. Ouais, j'ai eu peur. C'est bon, j'ai eu. J'enchaîne les spares en tout cas, ça c'est cool. C'est bon, à se chier dessus, merci. Oh oui. Allez, là je fais un strike, c'est bon. Yes. Ah, c'est le temps de me réchauffer un peu les gars. 61, oh c'est bon, elle a perdu. Oh, et là je refais un strike, c'est bon, je suis à mon prime quoi. Oh, si je fais un spare là. Oh, je suis un malade. C'est bon, c'est dedans. Yes. Je suis à 80. Oh là là. Oh là, l'humiliation quoi.
So what are you doing here in Liberty City, Nico?
What's anybody doing here? I don't know.
I think you do. There must be something that made you leave your home and come here.
Roman's bullshit stories, maybe. I just felt like I needed a new start.
There's nothing else about Liberty City then? Just Roman?
Maybe there is more to this place. I'm not sure yet.
Ah là, je voulais vous dire aussi, il y avait vraiment pendant le Let's Play GTA 5, les gars, j'avais installé un mode où j'avais la map de Liberty City. Je sais pas si sur les vidéos 14, l'épisode 14 ou 15, on peut voir j'ai deux logos en fait d'avions d'aéroport. En fait, ça indiquait le moyen pour se TP à la map de Liberty City. Parce qu'à l'époque, j'ai une suite de faire GTA 4, j'étais complètement fou. Bon, il y a vraiment ce que j'aime, c'est que l'émission elle s'enchaîne en plus, il n'y a pas besoin d'attendre quoi que ce soit. Enfin, c'est bien quoi, c'est rapide, c'est vraiment satisfaisant, c'est addict. Dans le vieux diner qui est tout crade en plus.
Come on, Hattie. Forget about the fat serf.
Vlad, shut up.
But he's a serf, and you're a countess. Talking about serfs.
Oh, hey, Nico.
Where's Roman?
Good question.
Hey, yokel, your dumb cousin isn't here. Go get me a coffee.
What?
Get me a fucking coffee! Come on, I'll get you one. What? You keep staring at me. I'll burst one of your eyeballs. Gorgeous, this guy's a fucking creep.
Give him a break. He's new in the country.
I can see that. Did he walk here from 1985?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now stop fucking staring at me. I mean, I know I'm good looking and everything, but come on.
Hey, Mallory. Hey, man.
Hey.
About time.
Vladdy boy, what's going on?
Roman boy, you tell me what's going on.
Nice aftershave. What is that? Sex pest?
No, it's where is my fucking money?
I had it. I had some of it. Then those Albanians you said you would deal with came and smashed my computer.
So it's my fault?
I didn't say that.
Good.
Anyway, Nico dealt with him. Broke Darden's arm, then beat up a couple more. Then we teach them a real lesson.
Is that so? I tell you what, while you don't pay, maybe you and Nico can do me few favors.
Sure.
Good.
Why not?
Il fait trop le
Way
bec
to
Vlad. Hein.
Vlad.
What?
The phone's ringing.
Hey. Yeah. Okay. No, I can't do it. My cousin will do it. Yes, he can drive. No, he's not a cop. His name is Nico. He'll be right over. Nico, sorry to ask, cousin. Can you go pick up Jermaine, one of my regulars? He's over on Rotterdam Hill on Mohawk Avenue.
Whatever.
What was this all about?
Nico came in looking for you, and Vlad told him to get him a fucking coffee, and Nico didn't want to.
Coffee? What was he thinking?
I know.
La émission de taxi il y a dans le début des GTA, ça c'était vraiment chiant. Entre GTA 3, Vice City. Non, Vice City, non, justement, Vice City ça le faisait pas. Mais GTA 3 et San Andreas ça le faisait un peu aussi quand même. Le fait de conduire et tout. Ouais, promener un passager à là où il voulait.
Thanks for coming. Can you take me over to Masterson Street?
Masterson Street it is, Jermaine.
Masterson Street. Comment ça va les destinations, les gars, elles sont vraiment très rapprochées puisqu'on est vraiment sur une petite île pour vraiment sur du niveau.
Shit, I thought
Ça va,
Roman was
il n'y a pas
gonna
de long
pick me
trajet
up.
à faire quoi.
I need someone I can trust for this run.
I'm Roman's cousin. If you can trust him, you can trust me.
He told me about you. You're Nico, right? The hotshot ladies man cruising around the Mediterranean breaking hearts and making millions?
Yeah, I traded in the yacht for this cab. That's exactly the kind of bullshit I can imagine Roman making up. You've got to give him credit for his imagination.
Yeah, you got it. I had a feeling you sounded too good to be true. That door isn't meant to be open. Wait here while I take a look.
Ah voilà, enfin une course poursuite avec les flics quoi.
The cops are
Ah
on
là,
me. Get us out of here.
j'aime bien le système de recherche des flics aussi, il est plutôt cool.
Help, man! You gotta shake these cops.
Et regardez en bas à gauche, là, regardez, c'est vraiment une zone genre. Vraiment c'est un rond quoi, c'est une zone circulaire. Wow, c'est un disque, waouh! On est sur un disque et il faut sortir du disque pour échapper aux flics. Bon les gars, regardez, dès qu'on est sorti du disque, les flics ils partent vite.
Great.
Voilà.
Lost.
Limite là, je me suis même un peu éloigné. Là on peut peigner un spray essentiellement pour semer les véhicules, mais aussi pour changer la couleur et réparer les véhicules. Les gars, c'est quand même beaucoup moins complet, on peut pas tuner les véhicules comme on veut. C'est vrai que moi aussi ça m'avait surpris. Hein. Et oui, je sais que c'est vrai que moi j'arrive au S Custom, faut taper le moteur, je refais tout. Là j'ai aucun choix, juste j'entre, ça change la couleur, ça répare le véhicule quoi. Alors, on sent qu'il y a un petit peu, il y a beaucoup moins de liberté, mais bon voilà quoi, c'est le jeu.
I don't give a fuck if the bridge is busy. You're a cab driver. Hey. Hello, Roman Bellic Enterprises. No, Mr. Bellic is stepped away from his office. Can I take a message? Okay, great. No, I'm not gay. Yes, I'll tell him. Car 7, head to South Slopes. Come on, where are you, Mohammed? Hello, Roman Belic's office. Shit, fucking battery. This is chaos.
Capitalism is a dirty business.
Yeah? Like war?
Not exactly.
No, maybe not. When you going to tell me properly about what happened? I'm not going to judge you.
When you got time.
There, I have time.
Another time. Can I help?
Okay, yes. Go pick up my friend little Jacob. He's a good man. Likes to smoke a bit. Look after him. He's on Oneida Avenue in South Slopes. And Nico, man, we should talk sometime. I'm a good listener.
Whatever, man.
Mohammed, what the fuck? Oh, Miss Weinstock. No, not you. What can I do for you today?
All right, brother. Forward at Dillon Street in Shatla. Yo, Nick.
Nico, the one man Roman been talking about all this time. Cousin Nico, gonna help Roman take over the world and thing.
I guess so.
Respect, all right. We're going to this spot where I need you to wait for us. See? I gotta ask you another favor too.
Go for it.
Can you take this piece?
Ah bah voilà, putain, enfin un gun.
You come and help, sight?
Are you worried about this? I know
Bon,
how to use a gun if you want me to
c'est-
keep watch on things.
Des fous un peu, quoi.
You're my man Roman's cousin. Thanks, respect. This rascal that I ruckus with my brethren, real bad man the other day. Alright, there be the spot up there. Watch out for any badness.
Sure.
What's this? I know there's only gonna be one of you who's coming.
Ouh.
Jacob. We have to teach a bad man his lesson and thing.
Shit,
Même le
Nico,
bruit
get
des
this
armes est tellement mythique. Alors il y a une visée auto, mais comment dire, je vais l'enlever parce que je la trouve horrible la visée auto. Je vais faire littéralement visée manuelle avec la manette, je vous jure c'est vraiment cool à faire. On va voir le gameplay du jeu s'y adapte plutôt bien.
Watch yourself, coupe on the other one on the ground.
Je trouve que je vise plutôt bien, j'ai un plutôt bon pourcentage. Même qu'avant j'avais un pourcentage de 50%. Une fois sur une partie que j'avais. Oh là mais la physique, ils adorent comment ils réagissent bien aux balles quoi, c'est. Regarde-le. Il se casse la gueule, c'est incroyable. Il meurt en plus. J'adore, waouh. C'est des genre, ça c'est fait pour GTA 5, la physique, on sent que les... Alors elle est là la physique, hein. Bien évidemment quand tu tires dans les viandes le mec se casse la gueule. Mais c'est pas aussi prononcé que dans GTA, ça je trouve ça cool. Moi ce que j'aime c'est que maintenant à partir de maintenant les gunfights ils vont vraiment commencer à s'enchaîner. Et ça, c'est bien.
Yo, Nico, walk one.
Alright, you know, getting by.
Yo, we need your help with something, you know? Will you come on my place at Dillon Street?
Sure, I was looking to branch out a bit anyway. I'll see you soon.
Correspondant inconnu qui sait.
It's Vlad.
Vlad, name doesn't ring any bells. I'm sorry.
You better start remembering important people you just visited. Your cousin owes me a lot of money. If you don't want to make things real difficult for him, you are going to come to Cameron's bar in Mohawk. I have a work for you.
Oh là, il commence à me saouler le Vlad. Hein.
Yo, what that ring with bell, star? What that?
It's Nico.
Nico. Yeah, me bleach hard last night, you know. Me soon come, yo. Just hold on.
What?
What up, Nico?
Hey,
Glad to see the man, you know. I'm to my man, Roman.
Roman. He's okay. He's still waiting for his big break, eh?
Big break. Sure. I promise I'll comfort to a fool, you know, Nico. A boy for creep before him can walk, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go for a little drive. Come. Yo, I have a deal for make, you know. You have to go down to Saratoga Avenue in Willis. You mind taking this win? This herb don't do too well for my honor, my eye coordination.
Oh là là. Et je suis catastrophique en conduite sur ce jeu, c'est pas possible.
Don't know if it's all this herb, but I'm major paranoid, I don't trust them.
Who arranged this deal?
Some harbor shots in the crew. Bad man know them a long time, but I think them faced it. Go around the back in case one of them try get jump and run off with the ganja. Keep out of this vehicle, we might need to get out of here quick.
Ok.
Sure, they didn't have no stuff, you know, they tried to take my car in. I still got it though.
C'était sûr.
Finish them if them try to come out the back. I got the front covered. Everything crash, Virgin, run, yeah? Yo, go on, get down.
Au niveau l'ancienne. Oh merde. Non. Merde. Aïe. Oh là là. Ouais, il m'a enlevé. Ouais, il m'a tout ce qu'il m'a enlevé en santé. J'avais tout, j'ai tout perdu.
You're a real bad man, you know, Nico. Respect. Forward at Savannah Avenue in Meadows Park. Here we be. Are you with me, brother?
Yes.
We're gonna put some road boy in the ground.
Ah, mais parce que c'est pas fini en plus. Merde, je croyais que je ramener chez lui là.
Alright, bro, get behind me. Alright, you ready? We're gonna set this place on fire to blood clot.
Oh.
We can't get a shot on the boy. Check the window. You see him up there?
Magnifique. Et encore. Mais les gunfights ils sont tellement réalistes, c'est un truc de fou. Il continue de tirer, vous avez vu, le gars il est déstabilisé, il continue de tirer pour essayer de m'avoir à l'aveugle. Et je suis sûr que les balles en plus ça peut vraiment me toucher, c'est pas juste pour le décorer. Hein. C'est vraiment énorme ça.
See you later.
Hop, il m'a offert combien? $200, c'est pas mal.
Ah, fuck you! You're a bunch of pussies and fags!
Nice.
I'm going back to the meeting!
Good.
I'm going to be somebody!
Yeah. See you later, Mel.
You always were an asshole, Mickey!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey! Hey!
I tried to tell you.
Fuck you!
Excuse me. Sorry, man. I see you later, okay? Yoko, Fete Romanskaza. What's your name again?
Big mouth prick.
Very catchy. Sit down. Cousin, Nico. That's it, Nico. Not Big Mouth Prick. You're a funny guy.
I try.
Yes, and this one's, I'll let you take the shit out of me.
Take this shit?
Yes, Mickey about.
I don't understand.
Ah, people who fuck with me get fucked with.
Okay, fine. Calm down.
Whatever. Some old man not paid me in months, and I'm not kind of person who is treated this way. Old bastard owns a china shop in the Campton Avenue in Dukes. Here you go.
Ouh.
Don't hurt him. Just teach him a lesson.
Ouais,
Don't be bad to teach a lesson.
je vais fracasser son magasin, sa vitrine, j'en sais rien, on va voir ça.
Hey, let me in. You have Vlad protection money, old man.
Big Vlad and his protection money? I so scared. What I need protection from?
You think this door is going to save your shop? There's shit I can break out here.
Vlad should pay me to tell punks like you to go away. He get no money.
Je trouve quelque chose à lancer dans la vitrine du magasin. Ah, ça aussi j'ai bien regardé. Il y a des objets, regardez, avec LB on peut les ramasser. On peut vraiment interagir avec les petits objets du décor. Et on peut aussi apprendre des pots de fleurs et tout. Enfin, il y a plein de petits objets comme ça qu'on peut utiliser.
Stop it, shitbrain! I pay up now. I pay
Là,
up.
je lui ai fait perdre
Shit,
$8.
here. I thought Vlad and I had understanding.
Only thing I understood was you owed him money.
Apportez l'argent, Vlad.
Hey, Yoko. You managed to do the job? Get Vlad his money?
He paid up. I had to smash the shop up pretty good, but he paid.
Don't worry your little peasant head about it. Stupid jerk made a mistake of telling me how much he gets that shit for back east. He's the biggest crook in the neighborhood. Lucky I don't tell his customers what they're paying for.
That it? Can I go now?
Sure. Get out of my face.
Nico, how you doing? This is so much fun.
You know, Roman, I haven't been having that much fun since I got here. Has been a lot like hard work.
Well, you should hang out with your cousin more often.
Maybe that is the problem.
I'm sitting here with Brucey. Well, we're sitting here and calling the cops and watching them show up and look around. They're fucking stupid bastards.
You shouldn't cry wolf, Roman. Who knows when you really need help?
Fuck! I think they see us. Have to call Nico.
Ah, Vlad. Passe me voir, Pacno, j'ai encore du boulot pour toi. Lui, par contre, je kiffe ça dans me saouler, hein.
You're going to have your license
Yeah.
revoked. What? My friend, smoking in a bar is a crime. Plain and simple.
You're joking, right? This is a joke. Yeah, you're playing
Hey,
a joke on me.
Mallory, tell Fatty his cousin is okay. He just walked in. Great girl.
Yeah? Stay away from her.
Of course. Now listen, you did good with the business the other day. But now one more peasant is trying to avoid pain.
Who?
Moskovsky jerk who owns the laundry in the Masterson Street. Thinks in this country business is done differently. Says he will call cops on us.
Okay. So?
Jerk needs to be taught a lesson. Give him a beating. Let him know might is right.
Hey! Stop that smoking back there!
Partial!
Easy, buddy.
Go on, do what you gotta do. But remember, you see a cop, you don't know me.
I see anyone, I don't know you.
Ho, ho. Алло, Влад говорит. Да, что ты хочешь? Быстрее, я очень занят.
I have a message from Vlad. Shit! Stay away from me!
Oh, il est fou! Poursuit le propriétaire. Prendre cette voiture, elle semble être meilleure. Oh putain, il se tire vite. Allez, dépêche.
Weasel News. In a city plagued by corruption scandals.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut? Allez, avance. Fais ton script. Ouais, il est vraiment dans un script, il écrase tout le monde. Pas du tout.
I'll ram you off the road!
Ouais, faut lui rentrer dedans. Ouais. Ah oui.
Ah, you enjoying yourself, asshole?
Oh non! Il est pas dans cette atterrir là, je crois. Ah, mais ça va, ok. C'est une voie de train à un moment donné. Waouh, on a fini sur la voie de train. N'importe quoi. Non, j'ai eu peur qu'il se retourne et que ça me fasse faire mission échouée. Parce que s'il se retourne, il peut pas se retourner comme dans GTA 5. J'ai eu un peu peur.
So she sends me out.
Запомни, если хочешь делать деньги, приходи работать на меня.
Where can I get
Ah, Yoko, there you are. Okay.
Vlad.
Come on, let's go for a walk, okay?
Right.
Okay, come on.
I don't even like
Where are we going?
To my car.
Why?
Because of your cousin owed me a lot of money, and until he pays me, you're fresh off the boat. Yakov, ass is mine. What the fuck you mean why?
Hey, you are a pretty relaxed guy, huh, Vlad?
Come on. Подвинься, старая ведьма. Come on, Yakov.
What's wrong with you? You gonna jump me?
No, I had a late night last night. Spent it with Mikhail.
Ouais, comment c'est possible qu'il se soit jamais fait embrouiller par un gars? Il s'est pas fait casser la gueule, vu comment il est insolent dans la rue, regarde.
Shit, my nose is bleeding. Is my nose bleeding?
No, not yet.
Fuck this. Come on. Wait! I'm walking here. Let's go. Damn city, always trying to run you down, huh?
Hey man, Cannonball
Get
dollar.
a job,
Hey,
you deadbeat
give me
crackhead.
just a little change, man.
Man, where do these people get off? Like I'm gonna pay for their drug habits. Well, say something. You're so fucking laid back. Moron, come on. Want some? Good.
We walked all the way over here so you could snort coke?
No, listen. That's better. Huh? That's better. Man, Mikhail gets the good stuff. It's got some laxative in it, though. Gives you a stomach problem.
Nice detail.
Yeah, listen, where were we?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So, I need you to head up to Duke's and get a car for me. It's a silver blister, and it's parked in the projects by EIC subway station, okay?
Sure. You got keys?
No, you're cool. I need you to take the car. Asshole owes Mikhail some money. Take his car instead, huh?
We gonna drive over there?
What?
Are we gonna drive over there?
No,
You're gonna take the train, buddy? You think I wanna be in the car with the peasant? Come on. I'm gonna go meet somebody. Have a little party.
Fine. Have fun, dickhead.
Ah, y a un truc là. Ah, y a une batte de baseball, mais j'ai le couteau. Je préfère le couteau. Ah, j'ai mis la petite caméra à l'intérieur du métro là pour voilà, pour montrer l'intérieur du métro, c'est vraiment stylé. Changer de caméra, ok, on a la caméra là comme ça. Tu vois, ça c'est plutôt rapide, à mon avis ça nous fait gagner un temps de fou. Après le truc c'est qu'il faut connaître les stations. Ah merde, j'ai passé, dommage, bon c'est pas grave. De toute façon juste là, y'a pas grand chose à faire, c'est pas grave. Ah ouais, quand le curseur il est en carré, le curseur est en carré, ça veut dire que je peux l'assommer. Hop là, comme ça, voilà. Oh. Mais tu veux quoi toi? Ouh. Allez. Oh là là, magnifique. Non mais les animations de GTA 4, ça sont tellement belles. Bon, c'est vrai qu'elle est plus clean comme ça. Je dois admettre que c'est plus clean. Ok, bon allez, maintenant on peut la livrer. Parfait. Oh, 150 $, ça commence à pas monter petit à petit. Bon numéro, tu dois accéder au téléphone. Ouais, sans déconner.
Put the car in your locker.
You're not as stupid as you look, Yoko. Come back to see me at the bar soon.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Mickey.
What do you have?
Glass of water.
Glass of water.
Bang, bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron.
You got me.
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me talking to. This guy. This guy.
Oh, yes. You guys had a little kiss.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd say, what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey, gorgeous. No, I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I mean underneath it. Great. Listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry.
Who was that?
Never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes, and for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then that I'm the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little punk whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives a fucking cab!
So, why is Ivan going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
He's angry at Mikhail, Mr. Faust. Offended him. He think he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery that failed.
And what if I say I don't want to be your hitman?
Then Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I knew we would understand each other once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him by the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen. Let's talk about tonight.
Oh là là, il est hyper avec Mallory. Hein. Ah, mais c'est la voiture que je volais ça. Ivan essaie de s'enfuir. Oh ouais, putain, mais il était au dépôt de. Ah ouais, il était au dépôt, le bâtard. Il était au dépôt de taxi chez Roman.
Alright, Ivan, let's do this.
Ouais, bon, ok, mais il rigolait pas en fait. Il rigolait pas. Ah, ok, ok.
Shit, you are starting to annoy me.
Oh, ok, ça serait un pilote pro. Oh là, c'est sûr que je peux pas faire. Il va passer à travers l'arc. Ok, je le suis. Oh my god. Oh là là, oh là là.
Slow the fuck up, asshole.
What? Oh le bâtard. C'est quoi ces deux camions là, sérieusement? Oui là, ok. Allez, c'est ça, ouais. Qu'est-ce que tu foutais chez mon cousin? Bon. C'est Vlad qui est tombé dans le piège. C'est pas... Mais Vlad, je sais que c'est une fraude, tu crois quoi? Putain... On le fout? Oh là, magnifique.
There ain't nowhere left for you to run.
Oh! Voyez ce que je vais faire d'Ivan. Et bah alors on fait quoi maintenant? Faut faire tomber Ivan ou hisser Ivan? Bon attends, je vais le hisser. Parce qu'en vrai le Vlad il commence à me saouler vraiment, il sait pas pour qui il s'est pris. Donc je peux lui faire chier à Vlad s'il me paye.
Stay out of Hove Beach.
Thank you. You won't regret this, man. I am out of here. Wanted to live anyway, get away from all these people from back home, get into the real America. You're never gonna see me around here again. I owe you my life, man. You're a good man. You're a good man. Thank you.
Hop là, 200$. Allez, faut qu'on aille retourner voir le Roman. Ah j'adore, tous les petits escaliers de secours qu'on peut utiliser comme ça.
You won't be seeing your boyfriend Ivan no more. Oh, are you going to miss him?
No, I'm not. I'm getting enough pussy at the moment. I tell you, it's so much better if women already have a man, because you don't have to deal with all this shit all day. Take Mallory, for example.
Fuck you! You say this to my face and I will break you.
Pour la confiance le Vlad. Hein. Ah, Roman.
It's about time I show you some fine American silicone-filled titties.
Non, je te même pas comme striptease. J'ai une mission avec toi là, juste là.
I am too busy for the strippers. Another time, cousin.
All right, Nico. Maybe we do something when you have some free time.
Ah mais pourquoi il me fait un pouce vers le bas, c'est bon. Il me dislike.
Hey, what's wrong?
Yeah, cousin.
Parce que je suis venu au club.
Bullshit.
What's bullshit?
Mallory.
Oh, what about her?
I like her. I really like her.
But you keep messing around with other women.
Yeah. No. I think she's messing around with Vlad. I saw his car parked outside her place the other day.
Yeah.
You knew?
I had suspicions.
You fucking knew?
What was I going to say?
You knew my woman was banging this warthog and you didn't do anything?
I didn't
say anything?
I didn't know.
You're an asshole, Nico Bellic! A disloyal user! After what I did for you, you dick! You fucking dick!
I'm sorry!
Screw you!
Alright, so you want me to deal with it right now?
No. Sit down.
No! I'm not going to stand here and have you call me disloyal. You might let some Russian asswipe bang your woman, but I won't.
But you fucking did!
That was before I knew you cared! You always were a hypocrite.
Nico, wait! Don't do anything stupid, wait for me!
Ok, bon allez, vas-y, le Vlad, on va le remettre à sa place direct. Hop là, j'ai flingue à la main.
Don't do anything stupid, cousin!
Nothing as stupid as letting that fat swine give it to Mallory.
Hey, it happens! We have an open relationship! I do my thing, she does hers. Maybe next time I might watch them at it! Oh, don't watch his fat, hairy, sweaty back going up and down! I can't take it! How could she do this?
I knew you cared. I have to do this.
Wait, Nico, you have to think this through!
Stay out here. Let the big boys have their conversation inside.
Give me a drink. Anyway, я говорю, про капусту. Зачем нужно жрать капусту, если есть картошка?
Hey,
Картошка!
bloody boy! I'd like a word with you.
What are you doing here? Did I summon you?
Boy, I told you to stay away from Mallory.
Ah, go away!
And now Roman is upset.
Oh, Roman is upset.
Excuse me.
Do you think I give a fuck, peasant? Oh, there he is. Hey, fatty, I'm so sorry you're so upset. Oh, poor fucking whore.
Hey, Vlad, can't we just talk about this?
You stay away from Mallory.
I must be hearing things. I could have sworn for a minute this ratty little yokel told me what to do. Did you hear that voice?
Yeah.
Now, get them out of here. Come on.
Get back outside, Roman.
I love bacon bombs.
Les gars, j'ai un flingue, vous êtes malade, hein. Il est où le Vlad? Oh, reviens là! Il a la chance. J'ai tiré sur sa jante au lieu du pneu.
All right, he's running away. We win. Let's go home.
I'm not walking away until this thing is finished.
It is finished. He's running. We won't see him again.
He'll come back. The only thing that will hold him down is 6 feet of dirt.
Forget about Mallory.
Il m'a quand même ordonné tuer des personnes. Franchement, là, j'ai aucun scrupule à le buter.
When I am chasing him like this, I have to end it here and now.
Shit, I don't like this. Fuck.
Ouais, je suis peut-être un peu extrême. Mais il commence à me saouler le Vlad là, c'est bon, ça fait depuis 2 heures que je joue, il commence. Je fais trop le mec, il me parle mal. Wow! Il se tape la meuf de mon cousin, ouais. Et. Vas-y, mais moi j'ai tout par contre, j'ai les bus, j'ai les camions, il y a tout. Il y a tout pour me. Et il trace. Là, il a bousillé sa voiture. Oh, idiot.
Stop,
Il
Nico.
est chaud.
Shit.
You've killed yourself and
Il n'y a même pas un gun sur lui.
fucking yokel. You think you can get away with killing me?
I guess I'll find out.
You think this is worth it? You're throwing you and your fatty cousin's lives away for that bit of Puerto Rican chocha!
I'm throwing your life away, prick. We'll do all right.
My friends will track you down. You won't last a moment.
I'll last longer than you will, shithead.
Fuck you! I wish I could be there to watch Mikhail cut your peasant balls off. You've killed yourself and your cousin, Yokel. You're a dead man. Mikhail Faustin thought of me as a brother. He will get revenge. You're nothing in this city. You will be crushed. You've killed yourself and Half Beach is a small place. My friends will find you.
You were the stupid one, Vladdy boy. Nobody fucks with my family.
You're a
big boy, Vladdy.
Nico!
Well, I guess this is over.
What have you done?
What does it look like?
We're dead!
No, he's dead. We're fine.
He has powerful friends. Serious people. I told you to be calm, you halted and jumped!
I am calm. He tried to kill us. He screwed your girlfriend. What do you expect? I give him a massage?
Shit! Shit!
When I was in the army, we were going on a mission to ambush a squad who had killed a lot of innocent people. They were our enemies, but we never did it. There were 15 of us, all boys from the village. But one of us betrayed the group. It was a setup. For money. 12 people died. 3 escaped. I know the traitor was not me. So for 10 years, I've been searching for the other 2. One of them lives here.
Why are you telling me this now? Do you always get sentimental after you kill people?
You kept asking.
Wonderful! You're here on some revenge mission for something that happened 10 years ago, and you don't care whose life you ruin anyway.
No.
Well, what?
I don't know. I just want to know why they did it.
Well, right now, I don't think you're going to find out. Let's hide the body, at least for a while.
Put him in the river.
I feel Faustin is going to kill us. Shit. We should get out of here.
You go. I'll catch up with you later.
Ok. Bon bah les gars, on a buté Vlad. Hein. Bon débarras franchement. Le mec était prétentieux, arrogant. Est-ce qu'on peut retrouver son cadavre? Il est au fond de l'eau. Pas du tout. Mais franchement, waouh. Et là du coup là, la mission, on a enfin dans le vrai nœud, on a enfin l'objectif de Nico qui est de retrouver celui qui l'a trahi il y a 10 ans pendant la guerre. Et il sait qu'il y en a un qui se trouve ici à Liberty City. Ouais, sur ce, on va s'arrêter là pour ce premier épisode du let's play sur GTA 4. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.